Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Insun, and I'm a coordinator for international relations at KAIST. It's an honor to have the opportunity to discuss the KAIST student exchange programs for the cultivation of global leaders. First and foremost, I would like to extend my appreciation to Kyoto University for providing the University Administrators Workshop and for their excellent organization and hospitality. The presentation will look at a brief introduction to KAIST, our programs, and its environment associated with fostering global leaders. The first half of the presentation will be led by me, and the second half will be led by my colleague, Urina Song, who's a student exchange coordinator. To give you a better insight of KAIST, let me start by giving you a brief introduction to KAIST. KAIST was established by the government in 1971 as the first research-oriented science and engineering institution in order to further develop science and technology of Korea. KAIST is one of the few universities in Korea in which tuition fees are fully covered by the government to all students. Male students admitted to KAIST are exempt from the mandatory military service, provided that they continue with graduate studies. Top-notch students in the nation within the top 1% are admitted to KAIST. It is also the only university in Korea where English is used as a medium of instruction. KAIST is growing significantly year by year. For instance, the number of staff and students has increased as well as research fund and research volume since 2006. To nurture students as global leaders, KAIST has implemented research-oriented and innovative education. Some of the tangible technological innovations at KAIST are the online electric vehicles, OLEV, mobile harbor, and HUBO. OLEV stands for online electric vehicles. OLEV absorbs electricity from the road installed with electric rails. It was chosen as the 50 best inventions of 2010 by Time magazine. Mobile harbor is used to unload big container ships in open waters to eliminate costly delays which shippers face to use crowded ports. HUBO is a humanoid robot that can run, do push-ups, and much more, including size Gangnam style dancing. To provide better education and research environment, 7 new buildings have been established during the past 6 years, and 3 buildings are currently under construction. To provide better education and research, KAIST offers education that's innovative and research-oriented on a bilingual campus. International students can freely communicate with the local students and also actively carry out research projects with them. Unlike many other universities, KAIST encourages undergraduate students to undertake research programs. Furthermore, in order to better foster students as global leaders, KAIST has initiated the Education 3.0 curriculum. The Education 3.0 curriculum utilizes both online and offline resources. Students can access to online materials to prepare for classes in advance, without any time and place restrictions. When they come to the class, students engage in group discussions and interactive activities. Unlike traditional teacher-centered lectures, a lecturer acts as a facilitator. And most importantly, students are given opportunities to build leadership. Education 3.0 is being promoted with Technical University of Denmark and University of Southampton's cyber dual degree programs. I'll now move on to international achievements. KAIST currently has 361 collaborative agreements in 59 countries, with 26 joint international research projects in 7 countries. KAIST was one of the 2 universities that was selected as a 2012 Top 100 Global Innovative Organization by Thomson Reuters. Furthermore, the International Presidential Forum on Global Research Universities has been held since 2008. Approximately 100 participants from 30 nations attended at the last year's forum. That's it for me, and now I would like to pass on to Urina.